For 2 years, working with a coding agent meant you were the loop. You prompt, you read, you prompt again. But in mid-2026, everything changed. A dozen-word post from Peter Steinberger broke the internet. You shouldn't be prompting coding agents anymore, you should be designing loops that prompt your agents. Within days, Addy Osmani gave it a name, loop engineering. His essay crossed 6.5 million views in under 24 hours. So what is loop engineering? It's replacing yourself as the person who prompts the agent. You design a system that finds the work, hands it to an agent, checks the result with a verifier that isn't the maker, and decides what's next. You build it once, it runs from then on. The anatomy has 6 primitives: automations, worktrees, skills, connectors, subagents, and memory. And the field already has 10 design patterns, from the universal React loop to circuit breakers that stop runaway agents. Here's the key insight: every major tool, Claude Code, Codex, Cursor, Grok, landed on the same building blocks. The loop shape is becoming tool agnostic. Once you notice that, you stop arguing about which tool and just design a loop that works. The question is no longer whether loops will replace turn-by-turn prompting. The question is what kind of loops you'll design, and whether you'll stay the engineer or become the person whose automation sprawl becomes the subject of 3 uncomfortable meetings. Build the loop, but build it like someone who intends to stay in control.